So we have that a circle goes through these 4 points, A, B, C, D, consecutively. So let's draw this. And then we have A. And we can go clockwise or counterclockwise, doesn't really matter. Now it says the chords AC and BD intersect at P. So if I draw these, and I drew these somewhat symmetrical here. And even though it might look like, and I just drew it, since I drew it so symmetrical, it looks like P is the center. Here's my question, is when would P actually be in the center? What would AC and BD have to be? They have to be equal. I would agree they have to be equal. Something else they have to be? Diameters. So if AC and BD were diameters, then we know P's in the middle, in the center of the circle. But it's not. It doesn't give us that. So we'll work on it from there. Now it says given AP is 6, BP is 8, CP is 3, how long is DP? So we dealt with this cross chord idea last week. When the chords cross in the middle of a circle, we can think about this as two similar triangles. So we can do this. And we don't have to do this because there is a shortcut that we can use. But this is just explaining why we can use a shortcut. So we have that, if we look at those two triangles, we can look at the vertical triangles there. And then the one other thing I want to point out is that if I have this angle right here, what angle do I have congruent to angle C? Joe? Angle D. So angle D out here, and how do you know that those two are equal?
Because they're both connected to arc AB.
Perfect. So since these are both connected, they're inscribed angles to arc AB. Right there, and also here. We know that C and D have to be equal angles, and now we prove that those two triangles are similar. So now we can use proportions to set up and solve for x. So we can go x over 3, because those are corresponding sides, equals what? 6 over 8. And then we can cross multiply and divide. 8x equals 18. So let's see, x equals 2 and 2.25. So 2 and 1/4. Okay, now one other shortcut for this is that we can go right along these chords and we can just go 8 times x equals 6 times 3. And that'll always work. That's a shortcut for that. Again, just go down one chord. Once you see the cross chords, you can go down one chord. 8 times x equals 6 times 3. And that will give you the same thing as setting up the proportions. Questions there?
It could be a test question.
It would definitely be a test question.